Oh, is it going to be a bucket of gold? You can do this. Come on. Oh, that was so close. I guess we are starting with the 1. Yeah, starting with the 1, so that's going to be 1. Okay. Moving on to the next side is Ben Thomas.
Myself some fucking methods, but I'm interested.
Nope. Not going to say that either. 5, 4, 6. Good try. You can keep on trying, yeah? All right, here we go. Here we go.
No, he's not saying that. He said the fucking last one. I'm not saying that. I've heard of. Look, just started a new job working
there goes the
at
spin.
Mike Hunt Whistles.
Nope. Nope. Good try again. Not gonna say that either.
Have you heard of the new dealer?
I've been working for a long time, you know, so I know what you guys trying to do.
That's what I said. Look.
And I've said some of them as well. Okay, not anymore.
It's a new fucking dealer.
They
fucking swapped them.
Oh, come on. That was so close. So close. Anyway, 3-1 payout. Moving on to the next, it is Ben Tom.
You know we can't get in trouble if you say that. Come on, guys. So please don't do that. Yeah, I know, right, MD? That was so close.
Anyway, here we go. Good luck.
Is that what?
Oh, okay.
That was like one of those pokes and all that. I can know.
Maybe a bonus round this time. 9, double 6.
You're the beast.
As always.
You don't get a fucking...
Here we go. There goes the spin.
It's still good.
Thanks for saying that. 5, 4,